In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with ClickUp. By the end, your ClickUp workspace will send key updates straight into Slack so your team stays aligned without constantly switching tabs. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct ClickUp workspace and the Slack workspace you plan to use. If your company limits app installs, you might need an admin to approve the connection. Starting ClickUp on your main workspace dashboard, often labeled My Workspace. Think of this as your command center. It's where you'll access global settings and integrations. If you're managing multiple spaces, don't worry, the integration you're about to enable can be adjusted later to target specific channels or events. Next, open the More menu. You'll usually see it as 3 dots or a drop down in the sidebar or top bar depending on your layout. From there, choose Apps. This is ClickUp's Integrations Gallery, where you connect tools like Slack, calendars, and more. If you don't see apps, you may be in a view that hides it, or you might not have the required permission, so check with a workspace admin. On the apps page, find Slack and select it. This will open a panel describing what the integration can do, such as sending task updates to Slack channels or enabling quick actions from Slack back to ClickUp. Take a moment to skim this overview so you know what to expect. Now click Connect. A new window will prompt you to authorize Slack. Confirm the correct Slack workspace is shown at the top. If not, switch to the right one. Review the permissions. These allow ClickUp to post updates, create threads, and read basic channel info so notifications go to the right place. You may be asked to choose a default channel or grant the app permission to be added to channels later. When everything looks good, click Allow. You'll be taken back to ClickUp with a confirmation that Slack is connected. If the authorization loops or fails, refresh the page, try an incognito window, or sign out and back into Slack. If Slack requests admin approval, submit the request and wait for your admin to approve it in Slack's app settings. Once connected, you can fine-tune what flows into Slack. Task creation, status changes, comments, or assignee updates directly within the Slack app settings inside ClickUp. Start small to avoid noise, pick one channel for critical updates, and expand as your team adopts the workflow. You can return to the apps area anytime to adjust or disconnect. That's all it takes to integrate Slack with ClickUp. Enjoy streamlined updates, faster collaboration, and fewer missed messages.